Jack, your phone has buzzed 47 times since breakfast.
Has it? That seems low.
Jack, wake up!
5 more minutes.
Jack, it is 7:30.
I know. 5 minutes.
You said 5 minutes 20 minutes ago.
I know. 5 minutes. Grace, I am almost at level 47.
Jack, it is 7:30 in the morning.
I know what time it is.
Do you? Because your eyes have not left that phone since 6 a.m.
I woke up early. I could not sleep.
So instead of sleeping, you played a game.
It is not just a game, Grace. It is a strategy game. It requires concentration.
Jack?
Yes! Level 47 complete!
Jack, get up! Now.
Okay. I am up. Just checking the score.
Jack, get up now.
Good morning, Dad.
Morning, Leo.
Dad, can you pass the orange juice?
Dad. Dad, the orange juice.
What? Oh.
Dad, what are you watching?
Football highlights.
But the game was yesterday. You already know who won.
I know who won, but I want to see how they won.
Dad, your eggs are getting cold.
They are fine.
Dad, your eggs are literally turning gray.
They are fine, Maya.
Dad, they look like rubber.
Leo, your father is a grown man. He can eat rubber eggs if he wants to.
Thank you, Grace.
That was not a compliment. Jack, we are going to the park. Are you coming?
Yes. 1 second.
You said 1 second 10 minutes ago, Dad.
Maya, I am coming. Just let me finish this.
Finish what?
I am reading something important.
What is it?
It is about the history of ancient Rome.
Dad, why are you reading about ancient Rome on a Saturday morning?
Because it is interesting, Maya.
More interesting than the park?
The Romans built the Colosseum, Maya. Have some respect.
Jack, park, now.
Grace, did you know the Romans had underground heating systems in their homes?
Jack,
Okay, I am putting the phone down. See?
phone is down. Thank you.
I am just gonna grab my jacket.
Jack, I can hear you on your phone in the hallway.
I am not on my phone.
I can hear you scrolling.
Jackets are loud, Grace.
Dad, come play football with us.
Yes, 1 minute.
Dad, you said that when we arrived.
Did I? Sorry. Come on then. Put me in goal. Put me in goal.
Dad, goal!
What? No, I was ready.
You looked at your phone.
I was checking the time.
Dad, it went right past you.
The sun was in my eyes.
Dad, there is no sun. It is cloudy.
There was a cloud reflecting the sun.
That does not make sense.
Leo, I am the adult here.
Dad, your phone is buzzing again.
I can hear it. I am ignoring it.
Your hand is moving toward your pocket.
No, it is not.
Dad, your hand is literally in your pocket.
I am scratching my leg.
Your leg is in your pocket?
Leo, take the penalty.
Jack, we are eating dinner. Phone away, please.
I am just finishing something.
You said that at lunch.
This is different.
How is it different?
Because this is actually important.
What is it?
I am watching a video about how to fix the kitchen tap.
The tap that has been broken for 3 months?
Yes, I am fixing it this weekend.
You said that last weekend.
And the weekend before, Dad.
I was busy.
You were on your phone.
I was researching how to fix the tap.
For 3 months?
Taps are complicated, Maya.
Jack, phone, down, now.
Fine. Grace, did you know there are over 40 different types of tap washers?
Jack!
Dad, can you help me with my homework?
Of course. What subject?
Maths.
Maths. Easy. What is the problem?
Long division.
Right, long division. Okay, so the key to long division is...
Dad,
Sorry, yes? Long division. The key is...
Dad,
1 second, Leo. This is important.
what is it?
Someone replied to my comment on a football video.
Dad, homework. I will just ask Mom.
Leo, wait. I am helping you.
You are helping your phone.
That is not fair.
Dad, you have not looked at me once since I sat down.
Jack, it is midnight.
I know.
Put the phone down.
I am almost done.
You have been almost done for 2 hours.
Grace, I cannot sleep.
You cannot sleep because you are on your phone.
I am on my phone because I cannot sleep.
Jack, that is the same thing going in circles. Jack, look at your eyes.
What about them?
They are completely red.
They are fine.
They look like 2 small tomatoes.
Grace, that is dramatic.
And your neck, does it hurt?
A little.
And your back?
A little.
And your head?
A little bit.
Jack, put the phone down.
In 3 minutes.
Jack,
2 minutes. Grace, I cannot see.
I know.
Grace.
Good night, Jack.
Fine, fine. Putting it down. See? Down. Done. Good night.
Yes.
Can I just check one thing?
Jack,
Good night.
you look terrible.
Thank you, Grace.
Did you sleep?
A little.
A little.
Maybe 3 hours.
Sit down, Jack.
I am fine.
Sit down. How long has it been like this?
Like what?
You know what I mean.
I just like having the phone nearby. Everyone does.
Not like this, Jack.
Grace.
Leo asked me to help with his homework last night. Do you know what he said when I asked where you were?
What?
He said, "It is okay. Dad is probably on his phone." He is 12 years old, Jack. He already expects you not to be there.
Grace, I did not realize.
I know you did not. I am not angry. I am just telling you what he said. He said it like it was normal, like it was just a fact about his father.
I did not realize it was like that.
Just be here, Jack. That is all. Just be here.
I am leaving it here.
What?
My phone. I am leaving it on the counter. Face down.
For how long?
Dinner. Just dinner.
Dad, can you help with my homework?
Yes? What subject?
English.
Easy. Sit down. Let us do it together.
Dad, you are actually good at English.
I studied hard, Leo.
Mom says you used to read a lot.
I did. Before phones.
What did you read?
Everything. Adventure stories. History. Science.
Like ancient Rome?
Exactly like ancient Rome.
Dad,
Yes?
this is nice.
Yes, it is.
Dad, are you coming to the park?
Yes, and I am leaving this at home.
Really, Dad?
Really.
What if someone calls?
They will leave a message.
What if it is important?
Then it was important enough to leave a message.
Dad, you scored!
I know!
Do it again!
I cannot do it again. My back. My back.
Dad, your face!
I am fine. This is fine.
Jack, you have grass on your knee.
I slid for the ball, Grace. That is commitment.
You are 40 years old.
40 is the new 20, Grace.
Dad, look out!
I see it, I see it!
Dad?
I am okay. The post jumped out.
Dad, the post has been there for years.
The ground shifted.
Jack.
I am fine. This is fine. Give me the ball. This is the best dinner I have had in weeks.
Jack, I make the same dinner every Thursday
I know, but tonight it tastes better.
because you are eating it while it is hot.
Grace, I have a problem.
We know, Jack.
I think I am addicted to my phone.
We know, Dad.
Is it that obvious?
Dad, you once walked into the living room wall because you were looking at your phone.
I remember that.
You said the wall jumped out at you.
In my defense, the wall is very close to the door.
Dad, the wall has been there for 6 years.
The house shifted.
Jack,
I am kidding. I have a problem. I know. I am working on it.
that is all we want, Jack.
Also the tap. I will fix the tap this weekend. I watched the whole video.
All 42 minutes
You
of
watched
it. a 42-minute video about tap washers.
It was fascinating, Grace.
More fascinating than dinner with us?
No, nothing is more fascinating than this.
That was almost romantic, Dad.
Almost.
I will take almost.
Also, I fixed the tap this morning. It took 20 minutes.
What? 3 months, Jack.
The video was very long, Grace. It took time to process.
Dad?
Yes?
Same time tomorrow?
Same time tomorrow.
Welcome to today's fun English quiz. Let's see how well you understood the story. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Here is your first question. How many times did Jack's phone buzz since breakfast? Is it A, 20 times, B, 47 times, or C, 100 times? You have 5 seconds. All right, time's up. The correct answer is B, 47 times, and Jack said that seems low. Sound familiar?
Question 2. What was Jack reading about on Saturday morning instead of going to the park?
Is it A, football highlights, B, the history of ancient Rome, or C, how to fix the kitchen? You have 5 seconds. All right, time's up. The correct answer is B, the history of ancient Rome. The Romans built the Colosseum Maya. Have some respect. Question 3. How long had the kitchen tap been broken? Is it A, 1 week, B, 1 month, or C, 3 months? You have 5 seconds. All right, time's up. The correct answer is C, 3 months. Jack watched 42 minutes of tap repair videos. The actual repair took 20 minutes. 3 months, Jack. Question 4. Leo said something very important when Jack Dio didn't help with his homework. What did Leo say? Is it A? He shouted at Jack. B? He said it's okay, Dad is probably on his phone. Or C? He threw his homework away. You have 5 seconds. All right, time's up. The correct answer is B. Leo said it is okay. Dad is probably on his phone. He said it like it was completely normal, like it was just a fact about his father. Last question. After 3 months of research, how long did it actually take Jack to fix the tap? Is it A, 3 months, B, 1 whole day, or C, 20 minutes? You have 5 seconds. All right, time's up. The correct answer is 20 minutes. 3 months, 42-minute video, 20-minute repair. Classic Jack.
Great work today, everyone! So how many questions did you answer correctly? Let us know in the comments below.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more stories every week.
We will see you next time!